Ipob tells Nigerian media to stop calling it Proscribed group, cites repeal of Terrorism Act. Good day, my dear listeners. Thanks for joining. Here is another interesting news I bring to your listening ears. The indigenous people of Biafra Ipob tells Nigerian media to stop calling it Proscribed group, cites repeal of Terrorism Act. Moving on to the full details, kindly please ensure you like, subscribe to this channel and share. The indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, has issued an open letter to Nigerian media organizations demanding an end to labeling the group as a proscribed or banned organization. Ipob, in the letter, insisted that its Ipob is no longer a proscribed or banned organization under Nigerian law. The letter, dated September 21, 2025, and signed by Onyedika Chilifedi, a consultant to the Nnamdi Kanu Global Defense Consortium, argued that the legal basis for Ipob's proscription ceased to exist following the repeal of Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act 2013. According to Lifedi, the purported proscription ordered against Ipob, having been rooted in the repealed TPAA 2013, no longer has legal validity. He stressed that any reference to Ipob as a banned group in the media was both false and defamatory. The group cited Section 49 of the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act 2022, which repealed the earlier 2011 Act as amended in 2013, noting that no provision of the repealed legislation currently sustains Ipob's proscription. It is trite law that where the enabling statute of a subsidiary order or declaration is repealed, such an order cannot subsist without a living statute to sustain it, Ifedi stated. He cited several judicial authorities, including HG Federation vs. Abubakar 2007 and Hudo vs. Orthopedic Hospitals Management Board 1993. Ifedi criticized media outlets for alleged persistent mischaracterization of Ipob. As gatekeepers of public information, the Nigerian media is constitutionally bound under Section 22 of the 1999 Constitution to uphold responsibility and accountability, the letter stated. Mischaracterizing Ipob's legal status not only misleads the public but also tacitly supports governmental propaganda at the expense of truth and justice. Ipob urged media houses to desist from referring to the group as a proscribed group, warning that failure to do so could lead to legal consequences. We therefore urge all editors, correspondents, and broadcasters to desist forthwith from describing Ipob as a proscribed or banned group. Failure to reflect the correct legal position may compel Ipob to explore remedies available in law, including but not limited to defamation proceedings, Ifedi stated. Ipob maintained that it is neither outlawed nor criminalized under current Nigerian law, insisting that media organizations have a responsibility to present accurate information to the public. Ipob was first declared a terrorist organization in September 2017 by the Federal High Court in Abuja, following an application by the then Attorney General of the Federation during the administration of former President Muhammadu Buhari. The proscription came after clashes between Ipob members and security forces in Abia State during the military's Operation Python Dance 2. At the time, the Nigerian government accused Ipob of acts likely to disrupt public order and threaten national security. The group has, however, rejected the label and maintained that it is a peaceful self-determination movement seeking a referendum on Biafra's independence. My dear listeners, now I've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let's know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.